Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have an exciting topic to discuss. We'll be giving you a full guide on how to know which accounts you contact with most on Instagram in 2023. So let's get started. To begin, open the Instagram app on your device. Once you've opened the app, you'll be directed to the Instagram feed, where you can see the latest posts from accounts you follow. Take a moment to scroll through the feed until you reach the first post that appears. This will be the starting point for finding out which accounts you contact with most. Now focus your attention on the paper plane icon located below the post. This icon represents the direct messaging feature on Instagram. Tap and hold on the paper plane icon for a few seconds. This action will trigger a pop-up window to appear, showing you a list of accounts you frequently interact with. Congratulations! You've successfully accessed the list of accounts you contact with most on Instagram. The first 4 accounts displayed in the pop-up window are the ones you have the most interactions with. It's important to note that this list is dynamic and can change based on your recent interactions. So be sure to check it periodically to stay updated on your most contacted accounts. By knowing which accounts you contact with most, you can easily stay connected and engage with them on Instagram. This can be helpful in building relationships, networking, and staying updated with your favorite content creators. And there you have it. You've learned how to know which accounts you contact with most on Instagram in 2023. By following these simple steps, you can gain valuable insights into your Instagram interactions. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more valuable guides and tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.